It depends. That's the annoying answer. As someone who is in design college, actually, it's worth it. Let me explain why I say it that way. The one thing that my college has been able to convince me is that you won't learn this in फ्री यूट्यूब के कोर्सेज या फिर बूट कैंप्स या फिर कोई कोर्सेरा या यूडेमी के कोर्सेज. इट्स जस्ट नॉट द सेम. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग द कंटेंट दैट यू आर गोना बी taught in design school, you're not going to find it anywhere else. It's just that the time that you get to implement these concepts that you learn over here, it's worth the amount of time college needs. I personally feel that this could have been wrapped up in 2.5 years, maximum 3 years. So if you have an opportunity कि तुम एक डिप्लोमा कर सकते हो 3 साल का, या फिर अगर तुम्हें मास्टर्स करना है डिजाइन में, you haven't done bachelor's in design but you want to do masters in design, I think वो 2 साल का ही होता है, and I think that is a good amount of time to spend. Anything more than 3 years doesn't really make sense. But again, if you don't have that opportunity anymore, अगर तुम फंस चुके हो 4 साल के कोर्स में, it's okay. When it comes to the money and the return on investment, that is really difficult to talk about. Especially because of course there are designers who would easily make that money that they've put into the education in a few years max. There could also be designers who just can't do anything with their education. They just can't go anywhere. The amount of skills that they have by the end of their final year is just not enough to give them the confidence कि जितना पैसा तुमने एजुकेशन में डाला है वो तुमको वापस मिल जाएगा. If this is not about money, design college is generally worth it. But कुछ precautionary चीज़ें हैं जो तुमको ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. Before I tell you the L side of it, let me tell you the W side of going to design college. I think it's not just about design college. I think any college, if you get really involved with the people around you or the faculty or the club members or कोई society है, whatever, if you even slightly enjoy the process of going to college and meeting new people, you're going to have a decent time. I feel like at all times, I don't think you should ever overestimate the pressure that you're going to get from your assignments or कोई भी exam है. As long as you're passing your exams and you're understanding what they're teaching in class, you're okay. I don't think you need to worry about your grades. All I want you to know कि getting good grades is a pretty subjective deal. A lot of the faculties are just not going to be happy with your assignments, and it is never going to change. No matter how good of a designer you are, even the maximum grades that you're going to get in your class is probably not going to be that high. Unless तुम थोड़े से logical field में हो, जैसे UX design, where it is not super subjective and it is mostly like if you're checking all the boxes, you are probably going in the right direction. And if you're checking more boxes than the other students in your class, you are going to be above average and you're going to get better grades. Of course, grades really are not going to matter as long as you're passing. जब तक तुम सारे assignments submit कर दो ना time पे, it really doesn't matter कि how good or bad they are. There are going to be a lot of people who are going to teach, who are going to treat design as this mythical क्रीचर कि कभी किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, सिर्फ उन्हीं को समझ है जिनने सालों साल इस फील्ड में बिताए हैं. तुम जैसे तुच्छ जाति के लोग कभी डिज़ाइन के आसपास भी नहीं सीख पाओगे कुछ. तुमको भी बहुत कुछ सीखना है, चाहे तुमको 50 लाख की जॉब भी क्यों ना मिल जाए, तुम उनके करीब कभी नहीं आ पाओगे. इन लोगों से इंटिमिडेट होना, डीमोटिवेट होना बहुत ही नेचुरल चीज़ है. टीचर्स को नहीं पता होता कि उनका इम्पैक्ट एक स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में कितना ज़्यादा होता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स ऑल फुगाजी. इट इज़ नेचुरल टू बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स जस्ट थ्रू आउट योर अकेडमिक लाइफ. मैं तो होप हार चुका हूँ कि मैं कभी भी एक अच्छा डिज़ाइनर बन पाऊंगा. द इंसेन अमाउंट ऑफ गेट कीपिंग दैट दीज पीपल डू, द obnoxious terms that they're going to throw your way, it's going to intimidate you, it's going to probably demotivate you. नहीं यार, मैं इनके जैसा महान तो कभी नहीं बन पाऊंगा. जो चीज़ें इनने पढ़ रखी है, इनको समझ आ रखी है, दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग मी टू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दोज थिंग्स एंड नॉट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड बट इम्प्लीमेंट एंड शो देम इन द डेडलाइन assignments that they are giving me. It just feels so exhausting. I thought I did enough and you make me feel like I was so far away from it. That exhausts you. बस ये समझ लिया हूँ कि जितना डिज़ाइन मैंने सीख लिया है कॉलेज से उतना ही ठीक है मेरे लिए. इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं सीख पाऊंगा. इफ़ यू आर इन अ बेटर रिलेशनशिप विद डिज़ाइन देन मी, आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू, बिकॉज मैंने ज़्यादा कोशिश नहीं की ऑनेस्टली, बट जितना करा यार मेरे से तो आई डेंट फील इट वॉज worth more than this to learn and spend more time. मेरे लिए डिज़ाइन was a plan B. What I can say for sure कि मैंने जितनी भी चीज़ें सीखी हैं वहाँ से, I would never be able to unlearn them. I would always try to use those things in anything and everything I do in my professional career. Dare I say in my personal life, I would like to solve problem using design thinking. You're going to meet various kinds of people throughout college, and I want you to embrace everything in a very positive spirit. It is going to be difficult emotionally to go through all the criticism that you're going to get. मेरा एक suggestion होगा कि अगर तुम सॉफ्टवेयर्स को सीख पाओ ना बिफोर गोइंग टू कॉलेज, इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू ट्रिमेंडसली, ट्रस्ट मी. 2-3 हफ्ते का भी एक्सपीरियंस होना उस सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ, जो बिगिनर एंड वो 2-3 हफ्ते में डिफरेंस होता है ना, इट इज़ ह्यूज. क्या डिज़ाइन का स्कोप है स्पेशली इंडिया में. हमेशा प्लेसमेंट सेल पे रिलाई मत करो अपने कॉलेज के. डोंट सोली रिलाई ऑन देम कि अब तो यही करवाएंगे. यू हैव टू रियलाइज कि यू स्टिल आर आंसरेबल टू योर ओन स्किल्स, एंड अगर तुम अपने आप को अपस्किल नहीं कर रहे हो थ्रू आउट द academic years, it is not going to be easy for you to get employed. So you don't have to be the best designer, you just have to know how to present your work really well. That will genuinely just get you through most of your college and your career life. I obviously don't recommend that path. I am in fact almost the opposite कि तुम present उतने अच्छे से ना भी करो, वो बाद में सीख सकते हो, but the raw talent that you have, जितना उसको sharpen करते रहोगे ना, उतना it would be difficult to ignore it. बस इतना कर लो कि तुम्हारा जो रेज्यूमे है ना, उसको रिजेक्ट करना मुश्किल हो जाए. तुम इस स्टेज तक पहुंच जाओगे ना अपने स्किल्स को लेकर, उसके बाद इट इज somewhat of an easier road. अगर तुम्हारा रेज्यूमे, तुम्हारा पोर्टफोलियो इज वेरी इजी टू रिजेक्ट कि हाँ यार चलो जस्ट अनदर डिजाइनर, जस्ट अनदर बेसिक, देख के ही लग रहा है कि कुछ कैनवा पे बनाया हुआ है इसने. वेल यू हैव टू डू बेटर देन दैट. जितना हो सके डिफरेंट होने का कोशिश करो. मैं यूएक्स डिजाइन से हूँ, सो आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ annoying people. UX designers are probably going to be one of the most performative and annoying and arrogant people that you're gonna ever find. I was also a very arrogant student in my class. It was because I didn't want to become a UX designer. I didn't want to become a designer at all. And thus my sort of hatred, not hatred is a big word, but गुस्सा आता है यार मेरे को UX designers की बातें सुन के. Like, I'm not saying UX designers equals to annoying people. It's just that most of the annoying designers that you're going to meet are probably going to be UX designers. Overall यार तुमने अच्छा करियर चूज करा है, इतना टेंशन मत लो. The amount of things that you can expand to is honestly insane. Since you know how design thinking works and you also know how to make a really good product probably by the end of your course, you are almost ready to become an entrepreneur. तुमको मे बी बस बिजनेस सीखने की थोड़ी बहुत ज़रूरत हो सकती है, विच यू अगेन कैन लर्न without going to business school, I feel like, and you're like almost set to become an entrepreneur. Employment ready तो तुमको कर ही देती है कॉलेज, उसका टेंशन मत लो. But if you really want to start something of your own, it is generally one of the best things you can learn. अगर तुम्हारा सिर्फ पैसा बनाना गोल है, it's not gonna be worth it to go to design school. But again, given that तुम्हारे पास अगेन पैसा भी नहीं है, पैशन भी नहीं है उतना डिज़ाइन के तरफ, यू जस्ट वांट टू मेक मनी इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पेंडिंग मोर मनी टुवर्ड्स पोटेंशियली अर्निंग मोर मनी. अकेडमिकली जितना कम प्रेशर ले पाओ उतना लो. जितना खुद को अपस्किल करने में प्रेशर बना पाओ ना कि एज मैनी एज प्रोडक्टिव डेज एज यू कैन, फ्रीलांसिंग करो, इंटर्नशिप्स करो. कभी भी ऐसा लिमिट होने मत दो यार, अपने आप को एवरेज इंडियन स्टूडेंट मत बनने दो. तुमने देखा है ना, तुमने TVF, तुमने AIB के वीडियोस वगैरह देखे हैं ना, यू नो व्हाट एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक. डू नॉट बी दैट गाय. ऐसे बहुत लोग मिलेंगे यार तुमको डिज़ाइन कॉलेज में, हर एक चीज़ में उनको स्पून फीडिंग की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी कि ओ मुझे ये करना चाहिए या ये करना चाहिए, सर प्लीज़ बता दो, प्लीज़ मेरी लाइफ फिक्स करके मुझे दे दो ताकि मैं आराम से जी पाऊँ. फिर क्या पॉइंट है यार. आई विश इट वॉज दैट ईजी कि तुम बस किसी मेंटोर के पास जाओ, वो तुमको सही सलाह दे दे, तुम वो चुपचाप फॉलो कर लो एंड तुम एकदम मस्त करियर पाथ तुम्हारा मिल जाए. you're going to have a great time, trust me. As long as you keep upskilling yourself, it is going to be a breeze for you. हो सकता है तुम्हें मेरी words पे शक हो जब तुम कोई stress वाली situation में हो. It shall pass. Trust me, it's not going to be anything remotely as stressful as you think it is right now. The only part that you're going to probably despise, and I still agree with you, is clients. जब तुम clients से handle करना शुरू कर दोगे, जब तुम, it is going to be similar to the experience that you have while getting feedback from your faculty or your jury members. You're just never going to be able to impress them enough. Almost 90% of the time तुमको खुद की मन मारनी होगी just so that the client is happy. If you really care about the design that you're making and you don't want it to suck ass, I think you should raise your voice and you should become more literate in terms of design so that you can prove to your clients that hey, the way you're thinking about this is not going to work out. And अगर वो फिर भी नहीं सुनते हैं, then it's probably not the best client to work with. But again, you don't get to choose that all the time. Just know कि तुम जिस लेवल तक काम कर सकते हो, हर क्लाइंट तुमको उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुंचने देगा. There are going to be some clients that are going to push you and you get to produce things that you didn't even know you could produce. Try to embrace that as well. It's going to be fine. Have faith in yourself. एक पॉइंट पे तुमको सीखना बंद भी करना होगा बिकॉज एट सम पॉइंट यू हैव टू टर्न द रेट डाउन बट डोंट स्टॉप लर्निंग बट एट द सेम टाइम you have to start implementing those things so that you can start making money. And if that is not even the goal to make money, तो फिर तो तुम क्यों ही देख रहे हो ये वीडियो? You'll be fine. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope तुमको थोड़ा बहुत कुछ समझ आया होगा. See you in the next one. Bye bye.